Who wants to go first, Jack or Zach?
I'm happy to. Can I just preempt it that I've got a new laptop today and I'm struggling
Already
to.
Let's try it.
I'm not
excuses,
making
mate.
excuses.
Let's
No,
try it. If it's not
I will.
happening, then I'll
No,
do what normally happens.
that's not Reza, is it?
It is.
Reza, bit of a weird one. We've never spoken before. I guess can I fly through in 30 seconds why I've chosen to call you, and then if it's not relevant, we can leave it there. Is that fair?
Yeah, it's not relevant. If we haven't spoke before and you not calling about a business, so I don't know why.
Fair. Can I ask you one last question before I let you go?
All right.
I'm just looking at your LinkedIn here, making data more human. I mean, we typically have conversations with people that are struggling when it comes to getting in front of new clients, or they're struggling to break into new sectors. You might tell me.
I'm
actually,
not struggling in getting clients, and I'm already very busy.
You're very busy.
Call, man.
No worries.
Yes.
Completely fair. I'm guessing there's not one thing you could do to be busier.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. I'm panicking because I can't have the tab open, can I?
Yeah, good point. You can't just show people details.
I
think
think
there's
there's
a way you could share audio without sharing your screen.
Can you see Shane Ritchie now?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Can you hear that?
Yes. Yeah, mate.
We're rocking.
Here we go. Right, this is going to be the best cold call you've ever heard.
What's your favourite colour at the minute then, Will?
My favourite colour, purple. You can do all kinds of colours. You can even do a rainbow and stuff like that.
Oh, and it's quick.
Christy, bit of a weird one. We've never spoken before. I guess can I fly through in 30 seconds why I've chosen to call you, and then if it's not relevant, we can leave it there. Is that fair?
I'm so sorry. What is this? Are you part of my husband's family or not?
No. It's Jack here.
Okay.
It's
no,
Jack here.
Please don't. This is my personal cell phone, and I don't like getting spam on it. Thank you.
No, completely fair. Completely fair.
Wow.
Wow.
I thought it was gonna be bad. I thought it was gonna be bad, man.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be bad.
I thought there was going to be a death. You hear it?
Not really. Shall I do one at the same time, and then whoever gets the answer first?
Yeah, sounds like a good plan. Let's do that. That way we get more connects.
Hey, Julie, I'll be really honest. We actually don't know each other. Can I tell you very, very quickly why I've chosen to call you? And if it's totally irrelevant, I will never bother you again, I promise.
Okay, go for it.
Okay, so I normally get invited in by co-founders and managing directors who are struggling a little bit when it comes to the new business front. So there's perhaps a feeling that there's not enough potential new clients in the diary, or it's the opposite problem. They are meeting people, but it feels like the wrong types of people, and they're trapped in these never-ending deal cycles. But I might have caught you at a moment where you've got too many clients, and another new one would bring you too many headaches.
I mean, everything's. I think we're good here for now.
Okay. There was a moment then where you weren't sure.
I wasn't sure what you were asking.
Okay. Well, can I ask you one last question while I've got you? I might never get the chance. Sure. I suppose out of having more customers or having more of the right types of customers, if you had to pick one, which one would you say is the most kind of glaring thing that would make a difference right now?
I mean, we're going through a lot of big transitions right now, so really neither. I mean, we're in a very good space in terms of what we can do in terms of clients. It might be a good idea. I'm not really sure what the services that you're offering, but if it's supporting sales, I would say it would be great to check back in with me in about 3 months.
3 months, okay. And I'm the sucker. I'm curious. 3 months sounds
That's
very
fine.
Specific.
Unfortunately, I have to go. I'm like on deadline right now, but I am definitely open to being followed up with for sure.
Okay. If I connect with you on LinkedIn and then check back in 3 months, I'm sure I'll see big announcements in the meantime. But does that sound like a good plan?
That sounds perfect. That sounds great. I love it.
Perfect. All right. No problem at all. All right. I'll let you crack on and I will chat to you then. Take care.
Okay. Thanks for checking in.
Cheers.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
Zach's wife coming in like, "Oi, you're being too nice, making her laugh. Stop it."
I always feel that's the critique I always get. That I'm like a big flirt on these calls, even with I'm a heterosexual man, but even with blokes.
Hey, Michael, it's Will over at Sales Growth. Before you rack your brain, we haven't actually spoken before, but I noticed that you're in a similar space to one of our clients. So I wanted to see if you might be running into some of the challenges they were running into before we started working with them. You got a moment? Yeah, so I'm trying to call this chief sales officer over at Stibbo. Is that not yourself? All right, well, I'll let you get back to those cats and dogs. Appreciate your time, Michael. Do your American accents work in Europe? No, sorry, guys.
Hello, is that Michael?
Yes, who's this?
Well, hello, Michael. We don't know each other. Can I tell you very, very quickly why I've chosen to call you? And if it's irrelevant, I will never bother you again. Does that sound fair?
Sure. I mean, I don't really. I don't know if this is relevant to what I'm doing. This is related to work? I'm guessing, obviously.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what do you think I do?
I think you're the director of a really cool platform, and you're an optimistic, forward-thinking guy who wants to have a conversation with a British guy who might help solve all your problems. Am I wrong?
But what does the platform that I manage do? That's where I think we're.
So is it an education tool? Does it help with college counselors
It's
and?
a proprietary platform that our company uses internally, so it's not really something that would be used outside of our company.
Oh, right. Okay. So actually, you couldn't sell it to anyone, even if you wanted to.
Correct.
Ah, okay. All right. Well, do you mind if I ask you one last question then, while I've got you?
Sure, why not?
I don't suppose you know maybe a high school bully that you want to punish with a cold call this afternoon that I can ring on your behalf?
Sorry, nobody comes to mind.
Okay. Well, look, I appreciate it, and I wish you all the best.
I appreciate your efforts here too. Have a good one.
And you, take care. Cheers.
Good call, wrong guy, wrong platform.
Good call, wrong guy.
That's not Sarah, is it? Oh,
No. Did you get her info from Zoom Info?
that's a great question. Depend. I'm guessing. Are you a different Sarah or a different Sarah, or you're not?
I don't work for Formula One marketing, if that's who you're looking for.
Damn. Where do you work?
I work at a store. Where do you work?
I work at a little company called Wham in the UK, and we help people that are struggling to get new business. But I'm guessing your store's busy.
Very. Tell Zoom Info they got my contact info wrong. All right. Have a good day. Bye
And
now.
you take care.
Well, what was that? That made me uncomfortable. Zach, how did that make you feel?
Yeah, because when you try and get all flirty, it feels a bit like.
When was the last time you were single, Jack?
2021.
I don't recommend coming out of retirement. You're going to struggle out with that.
I think I'd struggle too. Hey, that's not Carla, is it?
Yeah.
Carla, bit of a weird one. It's Jack here from We Have a Meeting. We've never spoken before. I guess, can I fly through in 30 seconds why I've chosen to call, and then if it's not relevant to you, we can leave it there?
Okay.
Amazing. So we typically get invited in by I do have a feeling that you might tell me, Carla, none of those problems exist, and you probably couldn't
Yeah,
take
I
on
got
another.
my hands. Yeah, I eventually need some more staffing because my hands are very full.
Oh wow, your hands are full, so you genuinely couldn't take
Yeah.
on another client.
And no,
Oh,
I mean
wow.
I could, but it wouldn't probably be. Yeah, not right now. That wouldn't be the best timing, but I could make it work. But
Okay. Sometimes when people say that they've got loads of clients, they couldn't take them on, but sometimes they're not the right clients. So I'm guessing with all of your clients, they're like 10 out of 10 are like paying the most retainer that you'd want them to.
yeah,
They are. Oh, so that you couldn't even ask for better clients.
no.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So you said that you're going to be taking on some new team members to grow. I guess what does that
At
growth
some point,
strategy look like for the future?
I'm not sure yet, but
You're
that's
not sure.
kind of the next frontier. Yeah.
Okay. So you're in a position where there's no challenges with new business. You've got lots of inbound coming in, and actually you can't take on any new clients at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay, fair. I guess can I ask you one last question before I let you go?
Sure.
Yeah. I guess who is the first person that springs to mind that you think of when I say struggling with new clients and the new business side of things?
I don't know. It could be anybody, but for new business, you're probably struggling in the beginning.
But it's not like you've not like got a friend or a sister, Carla.
No, I don't.
Okay, no worries. Well, it's been so lovely speaking to you, and who knows, we might talk
You as
again in
well.
the future.
Okay.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
Take care
Bye.
for you. Take care now.
You talk so much slower than you do in real life, but it's like almost uncomfortably slow the way you do it. Hey, I'll be honest.
I'll get rid of all the sexy
Do
stuff.
a
that I
real
was doing.
one like you would
All
do
right.
and just show people what it's about, man.
Morning. That's not Wesley, is it?
Yes, who's this?
Wesley, it's Jack here from We Have a Meeting. I'll be very honest with you. We've never spoken before. Can I fly through in 30 seconds why I've chosen to call you? And if it's not relevant, we can leave it there. Is that fair?
What do you need?
I do have a feeling that you're probably going to tell me none of those problems exist, and actually,
no, they really don't. I'm an extremely private company. I don't open up my company to anyone in any way. My clients demand that we have complete secrecy in what we do. So I really, truly appreciate you calling, but it is 100%.
You said they secrecy, so do they all come in through referrals and network?
100%. Existing clients and existing industry, and I'm sworn to secrecy on literally everything that I do. The IP is critical, and there's literally. I don't take clients, so they don't come to my office and see what we work on. That's how we do not do that. So it's definitely not us.
Wow. Do you ever just go into like a really like private place and just shout out all the secrets and then like leave?
No, I mean, my family knows. That's really what we do.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Take care. Bye bye.
Thanks everyone for jumping in here. Hope you had fun with this one.